Stylus 5 PCs, 2-in-1 stylus pen for touchscreen. High precision and sensitivity. Suitable for iPhone, iPad, Android tablets. Compatible with all touchscreens: black, white, blue, rose gold, silver. Color: silver, blue, rose gold, white, black. Brand: Bopomofo. Material: aluminum. Item weight: 59 grams. Compatible devices: tablets, iPhone, iPad, touchscreen devices. Are batteries included? No. Batteries required? No. Manufacturer: Bopomofo. Stylus for touchscreen. This stylus can be used on touchscreen. Designed to replace your fingers. The stylus can free up your fingers and provide higher sensitivity and response on the screen. 2-in-1 stylus pen, tablet pen for touchscreen. Made of lightweight alloy, no need for Bluetooth connection or charging. Ready to use after opening the package. Comfortable in hand, sturdy, durable, and anti-aging, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. Easily capture inspiration and make everything feel like writing on paper, giving you a more accurate writing, drawing, touching experience. High accuracy and high sensitivity. The stylus adopts a flexible transparent disc tip that can flexibly fit on the screen without leaving disconnected lines on your tablet or phone, providing better flexibility and accuracy, allowing you to see exactly where the mark is and giving an accurate point, while the rubber tip and disc tip can give you two different touch experiences. Compatibility and multi-purpose universal stylus. Suitable for touchscreen devices: Apple, Samsung, Moto, Lenovo, Xiaomi, etc. And also compatible with major operating systems, such as Google, Android, Microsoft, etc. You can use it like a real. You can use our stylus to write on drawing applications, take notes, read news, play games, etc. Just like any other touchscreen device. What you get 5 different colored stylus pens and a portable replacement. Set of 6 rubber nibs and 3 clear nibs in one package.